Cold open. Ever wondered about the magic behind secure and scalable networking? Today, we dive into the world of Provider Backbone Bridge's Ethernet Virtual Private Network, or simply Pbb Evpn. Imagine a bustling city with roads representing data paths and traffic lights as routers, switches like roundabouts direct data traffic, while firewalls act as the city's protective walls. Load balancers, they're your traffic police, ensuring data flows evenly and efficiently. Pbb Evpn is like a sophisticated GPS system, guiding data traffic through this bustling city. It segregates traffic, ensuring each data packet reaches its destination securely and swiftly. But there's more to it than just traffic management. Pbb Evpn offers advanced features like multi-homing for higher availability and aliasing for optimal use of bandwidth. So whether you're an IT professional or just curious, remember, Pbb Evpn is the unsung hero of our connected world. For more such insights, visit badanetworks.com. Expand your knowledge, boost your skills. Until next time, stay connected, stay informed.
Don't miss out. Smash that subscribe button and hit like to keep up with our awesome content.